Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Indian culture. Indian culture is one of the oldest and most diverse in the world. It encompasses a rich heritage of art, music, dance, and literature. Traditional Indian clothing includes saris for women and dhotis or kurta paijamas for men. Indian cuisine is known for its variety of spices and regional flavors, offering dishes like curry, biryani, and dosa. The practice of yoga and meditation originated in ancient India, contributing to the wellness culture worldwide. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Eid are celebrated with enthusiasm, showcasing the cultural diversity of the country. Indian classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and Kathak are deeply rooted in cultural traditions. Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is an iconic symbol of Indian architecture and love. Family plays a central role in Indian culture and respect for elders is highly valued. The caste system, although officially abolished, has had a historical impact on social structures in India. Efforts are ongoing to promote equality and inclusivity in contemporary Indian society. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.